My name is Shampana Bernard, and I supervise the Father Engagement Unit. This unit is located within our Family Engagement Program, which is one of the child welfare programs within the Children, Youth, and Families Division of the Department of Family Services. The research tells us that when the father is actively involved in the lives of his children do better, in terms of social emotional development, in terms of academic achievement. They're less likely to develop issues around mental health sort of challenges, and they are more likely to abstain from using substances. They are more likely to refrain from engaging in early sexual activity. I mean, all types of positive outcomes are reached when fathers are effective in their role as a parent. What we're trying to accomplish in this program is really to enhance 5 characteristics that fathers need to have in order to become the ideal fathers that they want to be. And so those characteristics include self-care, self-awareness, enhancing their relationship skills, their communication skills, and their parenting skills. There are 12 sessions where we discuss various topics. We use the 24/7 DAD curriculum, which is an evidence-based curriculum developed by the National Fatherhood Initiative. And so that curriculum has been determined to be effective in enhancing the skills of fathers. But one of the things that is special about this program is that because there is no such thing as a perfect father, that any father who attends this group will get something out of this group. I'm a father myself, and I have 2 children, a girl and a boy. And I have to say that I find myself taking notes at times when a father might mention a challenge that they used to have and how they addressed it, or a facilitator might mention a fatherhood strategy or a parenting strategy that may be effective. And I'm finding that I'll write down some notes because one size does not fit all. And so one strategy that works for a particular parent, a particular father with a particular child may not work for another child. And so you have to have multiple tools in your toolbox. And you may try one, it doesn't work, you put it back, you pull another, and you try that one. And so if anything, it really enhances the amount of tools that you have in your toolbox, so that when you keep trying one tool, one strategy, and it doesn't work, you have a backup plan and you have something else that you can try. And so for more information in terms of when those groups are offered and the location, interested participants can access that information through our website, fairfaxcounty.gov. Search for DADS, and that will connect you to our Father Engagement Unit website.